Hi everyone, it is May 7th and we're outside by the fig hoop house. And today my project is going to be taking down the hoop house because now it's warm enough where they can survive nicely. So just to kind of orient you, I will turn this around. Here we go. Well, and of course Timmy is trying to climb my legs. Thank you. Let's go for a little walk, Tim. So this whole area here, very long. Kevin has a couple of videos in the fall of us putting the hoops up and the white plastic to put over the plants, and we have leaves that we put around the plants so that they are okay when it gets really cold. As long as we protect them, they seem to come back every single year. And now it is finally warm enough where I can go ahead and remove them. So this is an area where I had two, I call them tarps, overlapping, and the wind got in it and separated things. But you can see down the tunnel that the fig trees are pretty much buried. What we did, and you can see in the other video, is we bent down the limbs with some rope and then tied it to the one next to it so that they wouldn't be sticking up high and getting frosted. So we held things down with wood on top of this, as well as these bags of rocks. Some people put sand in it, we put rocks in it, and I'm going to go ahead and take this all apart. So I'll set up two cameras on time-lapse. We can do that. Oh, let me see if I can kind of show you a little here. On the opposite side of this, we planted curly willows, and that's an elderberry. And we have lemon balm and comfrey and chamomile and several different species of flowers. So it'll be really interesting to see what's coming up. The lemon balm I can see right in front of us, right there, is coming up nicely. And the trees are leafing out, and the comfrey is doing great. All right, you guys, I'll switch cameras. And then we'll start moving the wood in those bags, take this down and have a look, see what it looks like after we uncover it. Well, things are coming along over there by the figs. We did get the wood picked up and the bags picked up and the white cover. You can see Kevin coming along here now, picking up the wood. Say hi, Kevin! And a lot of the wood that was holding the white tarp down was old wood, and it's pretty rotten now, so he's going to put it over to the burning pile, I believe, or hugelkultur, one of the two. And there he goes. Timmy's been helping me the whole time. I would move some of the white plastic there and he'd be sleeping in the leaves, for goodness sakes. So the leaves are on top of the figs. You can see some of the figs just kind of popping out over there. So as the wind blows, and it always blows from that direction, which is northwest across, so it should bring the leaves right over, you know, on our property line. So I believe the plan is to keep the hoops up for next season, have the figs grow real nice, and you can see a little better along all that comfrey. Boy, that's doing great. There's an iris over there, an elderberry, lots of lemon balm. So I'm really happy that those plants survived the winter. So mission accomplished today. We just have to get the plastic over. I think we're going to let it dry in the gazebo a little bit before we fold it up and salvage what we can out of it. So I hope you enjoyed our video and see what we doing these days. You have a great day. We'll keep you updated on how the figs grow, and hopefully they're all happy under those leaves. Take care. Give us a thumbs up if you like, and subscribe. See you later. Bye-bye.
Well, it's a couple of days later after Thea and I had started working over here on our living fence, the fig trees here. So we had that white tunnel, polytunnel here, and we installed this all last fall. And underneath all the leaves here, which are all compacted down and consolidated, are the fig trees that are laying right down this whole run here. One of my goals is to get the figs somewhat uncovered so that they can start to get some sunshine, some fresh air, and start to grow. So we'll see just how well I do with this project, since this is the first time we've done this. Last year I used wood chips on just a sample section. So here we go. Okay, I just got a lot of the leaves out from the fig trees. I think I'm going to leave it like this for today. We'll leave the hoops up. We'll leave the top paracord. There's a top paracord that we tie everything together with, right straight down the line. I did cover up a lot of the lemon balm, some irises. You can see there's comfrey all along the edge here. This will turn into beautiful soil. Here's one of the fig trees here. We'll have to give it some time and see how they do it. And you can see with the paracord, we've got these tied down pretty low. Some of them are just starting to bud out now. And I damaged some of them going through the process of uncovering things. So I've got lots of dead cane here that I've got to prune off. But I'll see where the buds come out. So there's a bud right here, so we'll prune above that. And you can see here, and we'll work on removing some more of this. But you can see the stakes are just starting to. You can see these ones were under the leaf, all of this. But the curly willows are doing okay over here. Oh, you can see a little bit of the lemon balm right here. And it goes all along in here. But we had lots of grasses and weeds growing up here last year along the tree line. So we'll see what we can do. And it's a little too windy to make a video out here. But you can see some of the buds are starting to open. And of course the leaves were around some of it so tight that they started rooting some as well. So we'll see what we end up doing. I'll give this a week or two to declare itself. Prune off everything that's dead. Like this is dead right here. But there's a lot of viability all throughout here. And we want all those ones that are pointing down, like these ones here, to head vertical, to go straight up. And here's one of the elderberries here that I didn't get a chance to cut back yet. And another one here. A little windy out here, which made it easier to get a lot of leaves out of that compacted area. We need some good rains, and I need to get some more leaf out of there, but I don't want to go too much more and damage anything now. But if our Greenworks leaf blower doesn't do well, I've been planning on getting one of the Ego leaf blowers, which can really help an awful lot as well. So that's it for today's video. We'll pick this up in the near future. If you found this video of value, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and by all means, folks, stay safe and take good care of yourselves. Sorry about the wind. Bye-bye now.